This is a lion. That is a lion. And this is the Gobi Desert Player, my DAI bicycle project. As you see here, we are in front of a beautiful Muslim temple. Here we are. See, it's very nice. And here I just finished to put the sticker, you know, and the light over there, the back light and the front light, the bags. Here I just already fixed the problem. The bags touch the tire, you see. I fixed with this bar extension, and it works very well because it's fixed here. And it has also some decoration. This handlebar bag. And also the tires already finished. No brand tires. I don't know why. Because it's very difficult also to find the tires for fat bike in China. This is branded Quando, the hub and rim. Very strange rim. They are very large, I can say. Very large rim, and also the hub is very large. This is 110 boost, but maybe it's more. For sure, let me see. Yeah, this is more than 110. It's very big. And this, let me see. This is maybe normal for fat bike. Anyway, you see, the last things I need to install, because now as I changed the saddle, this is more and more and more comfortable than the other one. It's a leather saddle, no branded leather saddle. It's more comfortable. And also the pedal, you already see this, you know, this, what is this? Is the pump bag. And it's very nice because here, you know, I cannot make a bag that is the cable is not good. So I decided to put there. Yeah. That is the bike. And sand marks that you see you next time for the when arrive these bags. I will show you all the build finished. And I don't know if I need to change also the water bottle, but I think it's okay. Yeah, now it's okay. It's a bike. It's not a bike to make a competition, of course. It's a bike to have fun, to go around, to picnic, to commuting in the city. I actually come to work with this bike because, you know, in the traffic, you can stay a little bit stopped without fall because the tire is very big and it stay up more than a bicycle without with small tires. Anyway, let me know in the comment if you like this project, and follow me for see other projects. This is almost everything fixed. I say the light is a little bit small, so I will try. I will find a bigger light, and we miss maybe the bottle cage, but I don't know, another color maybe or what, and the two bags in the front of the fork. That's it. See you next video. Follow, like, subscribe for make my channel better, and bye bye.